less than a fraction. You can't really get to the grub screw easily because this extra piece of material here is blocking access to it. So what I'll do is also drill that small hole that I did with other cars there, so I could drop the tool down there so I could adjust the ride height. I already did the back. It was pretty simple. You just reach down in there with the tool and lower it. Alright, so y'all stand by. Alright guys, so I went ahead. Like I said, I drilled those holes right here. Let's see, focus them a little bit. See, 2 holes, one here and one there. That way you can get a tool down in there to get to your grub screw so you can lower the ride height. So you can tell it's a little bit lower than what you normally was. There's no more sagging. Lift the front up. I mean, everything lifts at once. There's no travel in the suspension in the front or rear. I'm gonna try it out like that and see how it runs. May have to do a little steering wheel a little toe adjustment, but we'll see, guys. Alright guys, so I'm getting ready to change the pinion gear. I already went ahead and take off these 4 screws here because I need to put some heat on here. I don't want to melt the plastic, but man, I tell you what, to get these 2 here out, man, it was pretty hard. You can tell it has a bunch of Loctite to put on there. So it kind of, man, it took me a little while, but I got that off. But I don't want to strip these, so I'm gonna put some heat on that. So I'm gonna remove this cover, which will also give me access to the center diff. And, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that slop also in the drive shaft. So you just pop it out and it comes right out. So if you can tell, I told you before, see that cup has a lot of slop in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that. The rear, and I think the front also does it. Yep. Moves quite a ways. You see it. Alright, y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, so I got the 2 screws out. That's holding the motor in there, and I could pretty much slide out. Let me show you what those screws look like. Look at the Loctite on there, man. It's a whole bunch of Loctite on those. I remember my fraction, my first one, man, I tried to change the pinion gear out the first time and I stripped it out. So I had my heat gun, I put some heat on it, so I took my time because I didn't want to heat the motor up too much. So I put the heat on there and I was able to get those screws off. So that'll help you out so you don't strip those screws out, because it's pretty much guaranteed to strip if you don't put some heat on there. Alright, so y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, so while I have the center diff out, the motor, I went ahead and cut 2 pieces of fuel tubing. You see right here, this is what it looks like for nitro cars. This is the fuel lines. So I cut 2 pieces of them, so I'm gonna stick them in the cups before I put the dog bones back in, so it eliminates all of that play. At least it takes away a lot of the play. Alright guys, so I put the diff and dog bones back together. As you can see now, there's just about no play whatsoever in the dog bones. The front has no play either. So those dog bones not gonna be flopping around in there as it rolls. So I got that taken care of. I'm gonna throw the motor back in there, and I'll probably work on these rear dog bones. You can see them right now, and they're loose as anything, or at least not a lot of play in it. Alright, y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, so to do the rear dog bones, to eliminate the slop, what you do is you take this screw here out, which is, I believe it's a 1.5, I believe, right here, and then you use this little wrench on the other side and just unscrew it, and it pops out, this falls down, goes up, and this comes out. Put the fuel tubing in there, put it back together, and you're good to go.